As we close this campus's gates, let us remember all the memories we have shared with these grounds.
Macasandig, thank you for the beautiful memories. You have been the home of people who exemplify majesty.
Stay legendary. Isa kang alamat. Ikaw ang kahapon na mananatiling bahagi ng aming ngayon at bukas.
Because of you, we are able to say, daghang salamat, XUGS
Daghang
Macasandig.
salamat, XUGS Macasandig.
XUGS Macasandig has been a trailblazer in its time. And we, the teachers and staff, will continue its legacy as we move to our new home.
As we move forward as one XUGS, may we continue to be blessed with compassionate, competent, and loving administrators that will make one XUGS reach its greatest potential.
Our mission, our story, our desire for one XUGS continues. Padayon, we are one in XUGS.